feel it really isolates, use your body first. Okay? Yep. So you want to come around, do half a 20-meter circle, then another half a 20-meter circle, okay? And you want to really focus on your seat, and that's what's directing it. So right after R, you want to come around to your half circle, across the center line. Good, turning your shoulders, nice, nice, nice. Quiet that leg. Yep, you had it in the right spot. Now, good, push it a little forward. Yes. Now turning, so that you have the horse on the right side. Yep, right hip, left hip now. Yeah. Feel how he's balanced for you? Yeah. Now you want to stop and clear him before you get in. That's the corner line from here with the right hip. Good. Good. So you're scribing the size of the half circle with that outside seat bone, right? But the inside seat bone is where you have your weight.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Good. I love your upper body. It's awesome. And your legs are getting there. Just relax. Relax your knee down and forward. Perfect. Down and forward. I know there's a lot going on. Good. Now you're on what seat bone?
The left.
Yes, correct. Nice. Beautiful leg. Very nice. What an equitation picture.
It's gorgeous.